Varenyaputra Ganpati. Once there lived on earth a king named Varenya. He was blessed to have Ganesha as his son. His pregnant wife was due to have a baby soon. Knowing this, Ganesha told his mother, "O mother, I should leave for earth and be born as a son to King Varenya." Parvati blessed him and Ganesha left for earth. Upon reaching Varenya's kingdom, Ganesha found out that the queen had delivered a baby and a maid had kidnapped the baby while the queen was sleeping. Ganesha took the place of the missing baby. But Ganesha had a strange appearance. He had 4 hands and a trunk. When the queen woke up, she was shocked to see an unusual baby beside her. She quickly left the unusual baby in the forest. Sage Parashar and his wife Vatsal looked after baby Ganesha in the forest. Ganesha grew up into a strong child. Meanwhile, a demon named Sindura was torturing everyone and making life difficult. Child Ganesha fought against the demon and killed him. Being the son of King Varenya, he was called Varenyaputra Ganpati. Dacoit Viprad repents. There was once a dacoit named Viprad. He had robbed many people and troubled every passerby. But soon he started feeling guilty about his deeds. So he approached a sage named Mughal. At first, Sage Mughal was terrified to see a dacoit approaching him. But soon he found out that Viprad was there to confess his sins to him. The sage felt sorry about Viprad's state and said, "Son, calm down. I will suggest a way so that you may get rid of your sins." Mughal started chanting some holy couplets known as Ganesha's mantra and took a dry twig. He then fixed the twig on the ground and asked Viprad to chant the Ganesha's mantra after him. He asked Viprad to learn the mantra and take care of the twig as if he was taking care of Ganesha's idol. He said, "Viprad, pour water respectfully over the twig daily and chant the mantra. Perform this holy ritual with full dedication. Soon Lord Ganesha will bless you." Viprad becomes Sage Bhooshundy. Viprad sincerely followed Sage Mughal's instructions. He watered the twig daily and chanted Ganesha's mantra. He got deeply engrossed in the prayers and forgot about the time that passed. Viprad attained immense grace due to his prayers and the associated penance. By then, a large tree had grown out of the twig. Sage Mughal happened to visit the place where Viprad was performing his penance. He was amazed to see the transformation. The sage woke Viprad up from his meditation. Viprad felt utterly blessed and touched Sage Mughal's feet in gratitude. Viprad was happy to see Mughal again, as he was the one who guided him towards the transformation. Suddenly, a trumpet grew from the point of the origin of Viprad's eyebrows. Sage Mughal was delighted to see this and renamed Viprad as Sage Bhooshundy. The trumpet was a symbol that Ganesha had forgiven Viprad and blessed him. Tripurasur Troubles All. Sage Grutsamad was cursed to have a demon child named Tripura, who had Ganesha's blessings. Now, being blessed by Ganesha made Tripurasur very powerful, and he started an assault on the gods, the sages, the humans, and even on the inhabitants of Patal. Tripurasur's rampaging spree went on, and finally he reached Mount Kailash, Lord Shiva's home. His supreme powers made the entire mountain tremble horribly. Having made a favorable impression on Shiva, Tripurasur was asked to state his wish. He told Shiva that he wished to rule over Mount Kailash. Shiva moved to Mount Mandar after handing over Mount Kailash to Tripurasur. But this did not satisfy Tripurasur. He kept on bothering and disturbing the sages, who rushed to Narad for help. The sages were told to invoke Lord Ganesha. Ganesha promised them that he would destroy Tripurasur and save them. Turning into a Brahmin, Lord Ganesha went to Amravati to deal with Tripurasur.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.